Every educator wants to increase student engagement in the learning process and to encourage them towards greater achievements by providing personalized learning in a collaborative environment. StreamItUp is a unique video platform that delivers interactive, efficient, and personalized learning environments. Video content is handled automatically by the StreamItUp Education Cloud. The content is processed and becomes searchable and tagged. Students and instructors can search for spoken words, text from presentations, and user comments. StreamItUp enables active learning both in the classroom and remotely through educational videos. The students can help each other via private and shared e-notes and by use of a virtual smartboard to jointly create and edit drawings. Instructors can post questions throughout the video to encourage student engagement and receive real-time feedback. With StreamItUp, instructors can manage and track the progress of each individual student. And this is just the beginning. StreamItUp provides a comprehensive video management platform, lecture capture, for automatic recording of lectures, including video, audio, presentations, files, and data. Virtual cameraman for automatic focus on relevant content written on the board. Class conferencing to provide optimal solutions for conducting live lessons between remote classrooms. Streaming of events and lectures at the click of a button. And provides you easy and quick video editing tools, automatic subtitling, and more. We invite you to sign up for a free 2-month trial and discover a new world of learning through video. StreamItUp, a one-click video platform.